Hello, this is a video about Ipcl replacement because have low volt about 100 micros. First things that I do is charge the new Ipcl into the cartridge. I'm always guide the Ipcl to the end of the cartridge because I want to feel secure about the Ipcl is in the right position. After that, I make one incision with the V-lance 20 gauge and I inject viscoelastic under the Ipcl because I want to change this position from posterior chamber to the anterior chamber. After that, I make a main incision with 2.8 millimeters and I start to move to the anterior chamber. I try to move the optic into the incision, the main incision. And after that, with 2 McPherson, I take out the Ipcl out of the eye. And with the irrigation cannula 23 gauge, I use that like an anterior chamber maintainer, and after that I inject the Ipcl into the anterior chamber. With the irrigation cannula, I put the optic of the Ipcl under the iris. And I start to rotate in the right position. This is the model V2. This lens has 6 optic, very thin. This lens has 1 hole in the middle of the optic and 2 holes in the upper part of the optic and 4 holes more in the intermediate zone. This technique without viscoelastic, I have very good result after surgery without any change of endothelial corneal cell density and corneal central thickness. Thanks so much for your attention.